Class 7 grammar. Okay, now passive construction. Passive construction. Recall the passive form of various tenses now. We have learnt about simple, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous. Present. Active, passive. Makes. Past also active, passive, and future also active, passive. Now see how it means. When it is present active, then makes. Continuous in simple makes, continuous in making, perfect has made, has been making. Passive is made, is being made, has been made. Past active, passive. Active is made, was making, had made, has been making. Was made, was being made, had been made. Now future will make, will be making, will have made, will have been making. Passive will be made, will have been made. Okay, like this. Okay, now this is the passive conjugation. Now see, you have already learnt about only 8 tenses that can be changed into passive voice. 8 tenses can be changed into passive voice. Now see, here we will deal with the passive transformation of double object type sentence, imperative sentence, sentences with prepositional verb, infinitives, and the use of prepositions other than by in the passive. Now see, passive construction of double object type sentence. Some sentence has two objects. Now see, she gave me a gift, I told her a story. Two objects are there. An indirect object is a recipient of direct object. Now see, while changing the sentence into passive indirect object is often used as a subject. I was given a gift by her. She was told a story by me. Okay, this we have done into indirect. This was direct. Now we have done indirect. Indirect object. Now a gift was given to me by her. A story was told to her by me. Given below are some examples. Now see. She gave me a comic. Active. I was given a comic by her. This is passive. You have sent him an mail. He has been sent a mail by you. Okay. Passive construction or of imperative sentence. Now see. Look at the following sentences. Active passive. Shut the door. The door should be shut. Let the door be shut. This also you can write. You are asked to shut the door. Now see. Obey your parents. Your parents should be obeyed. Let your parents be obeyed, or you are advised to obey your parents is passive. Please bring me a glass of water. Active now. A glass of water should be brought for me, please. Let a glass of water be brought for me, please. You are requested to bring a glass of water. Imperative. The imperative sentence can be changed into passive in 3 ways. The object is used in place of the subject. V1 is changed into should be plus V3. Now, the passive of an imperative sentence begins with the let and the object, the V1, is changed into be plus V3. The passive begins with you are asked, ordered, requested, and to infinitive form of the verb object. Passive construction of sentence with a prepositional verb. Now see. Some particular prepositions or adverbs particles are used to, okay, with some verbs. Some prepositions and adverbs particles should be remain. Now are related between both active and passive sentence. Now see. They listened to him with respect. Active. Now passive. He was listened with respect by them. She objected to my proposals. My proposal was objected to her My proposal was objected to by her. The rich man laughed at the poor. The poor are often laughed at the rich. Now like this you will do. The next is use a preposition then by passive. Her behavior disgusted me. I am disgusted with his behavior. The jug contained milk. The milk is contained in the jug. The news surprised us. We were surprised at the news. Gardening interests my mother. My mother is interested in gardening. Like this you do. Next. Passive construction of sentence with infinitive. Now see. She begged the principal to forgive her. She is active. Now passive. She begged the principal to be forgiven. I hope to overcome my difficulties. I hope my difficulties to be overcome. I have to do this work. This work has to be done by me. Okay. I expect you to finish the work. I expect the work to be finished by you. Now it is time to give the order. It is time for the order. It is time for the order to be given. Like this, okay? Change the following into passive. Now see. I gave him the grammar book. He was given the grammar book by me. Or the grammar book was given to me by him. Mrs. Lal teaches English. Okay, now see. I gave him the grammar book. He was given the grammar book by me. Same. Mrs. Lal teaches us English. You will do. English is taught to us by Mrs. Lal. Okay, like this you will write. Who gave you this mobile? This mobile. Who gave you this mobile? Who gave this? Given by whom? This mobile is given by whom? Okay, like this you do. Only the first one will be homework for you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Try by yourself. Do in copy. This will be homework. For today, this much. Homework number 1. Thank you.